What is going on, guys? So today we are back again with the Legacy, and I bought a new thing because when I was looking at the car the last time and going over, the brake booster, the master cylinder, put in my new headlights, I also discovered that my radiator was seeping out the top. So we went out and bought a new Koyorad radiator. Now, this is said to be the last radiator you ever need. So we shall see, right? For the track especially. But I mean, it looks phenomenal. I mean, especially compared to the Mishimoto one, which is not bad at all either. This one has really nice welds, nice stamping up top. Looks nice with a brushed finish, but Austin wants to polish it. But it comes with all new hardware too. And then it's even got a petcock on the bottom for when you want to drain your fluid, which is awesome. But up here, they make it interchangeable. So you have two little extra nipples that they come with. So you pop this one out here, and then you replace it with the other ones that come with it. So I already got the old radiator out. Pretty simple. We gotta swap everything over onto this one. But just disconnect the upper radiator hose, lower, disconnect your fan plugs, boom, boom, disconnect that, 12 millimeter, pops out. Supposedly with this radiator, you gotta cut this hose, so we're gonna find out. Kinda hope I don't, but if I do, I do. No biggie, not too worried about it. But we just gotta flip this guy over. Pull out the hardware they gave you. Basically, we're gonna take the fans, the tank, and swap them onto here. And it's just this bolt, that bolt, and then a bolt that should be down there. Actually, these slide down, never mind. Easy peasy. Then I figured while I was at it, I would replace the thermostat, which this one actually looks like it's been replaced relatively recently. I don't think by myself, to be quite honest. I don't remember. I definitely don't think so. But here's the part number. In case if you need it, any EJ20X spoolies. Your thermostat, nice and clean. All right, so I also 10 out of 10 recommend that you Scotch-Brite this and get all the old gasket or old crap off of it. I did that to mine, made it nice and clean again. It's just a little bit, tarnished because it is aluminum. So when you go to put your new thermostat in, make sure that this guy is pointed upwards up on the top. So what I mean by that is you're gonna come down here. See that guy? Take him, put it up. Straight up the center, just like that, just like that. So I got the radiator in, the fans in, everything's all bolted up. The only thing you gotta do is take your upper radiator hose and you gotta trim it because it's just a little bit too long on this side and a little bit too long on that side. But other than that, we just gotta pop this guy out. Boom. We go in here. No, we don't. We go over. Uh-oh. Oh. There you are. We go over here. We're gonna freaking pop this open. Pull these two guys out. I think it's the bigger one for this radiator set up for this car, because you got to get it to go to this tube. So yeah, it's gonna be this one. You just gotta thread this in here. Also make sure the petcock down there is tightened down pretty good, or else it'll leak right off the bat. Not a good day. But I'll get a wrench, tighten that down all the way. And that just plugs in there. This one goes back to where it originally did. Just like that. Boom. Put the clamp back on it. And then catch up to you guys in a second. It looks pretty good. I added the foam piece right here from the old radiator, just so there's some more protection. Cut this down, cut that side down, about 1/8 of an inch just to get it more clearance, because you have to, even with silicone hoses. But for the most part, it looks good. I'll take it for a rip. I'll throw some GoPro clips in, and yeah, that'll be it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys tomorrow.